Hey everyone, we're back working once again on the Braniff 747 concept cabin, making great strides. This great project that has been brought to you by generous grants from the Eugene McDermott Foundation here in Dallas and the National Endowment for the Humanities of Texas. So what we've been working on this time is the air conditioning and venting system. And here it is right here. These are high action CFM fans. This one runs about 740. That runs through to the main air conditioning system in the aircraft that comes on at the ceiling. This one here runs about 500 CFMs, and that goes into the air vents over each seat, the little off and on air vent bullets there. So if you'll let me see that phone there, I'll show you the system here so you can kind of see. So that one there, that runs over and is connected in back behind there, and that goes down to your air vents, each individual air vent at each seat. This large fan is what operates the air conditioning system. And as you can see, that's connected to that large vent cavity there that goes all the way down the length of the overhead bins there. And that comes out of a slot right between the window panel and the overhead bin. So there's that there. I'm going to give this back to you here. And let's go ahead and turn that on. It is quite loud. We're going to turn it on, and then we'll go back around over there so you can see the feel the air working in the system. And it takes these just a second to get going there. There they are. You see they're a little bit noisy. We do have a padding system that will go around them and will prevent this from being as noisy as it is. Let me meet you on the other side. So here I am, back over here. So if you were here with me, you could feel this air conditioning system coming out right here. Nice and cool. Fortunately, we don't have the condensation effect yet, but you never know. Okay, if you look right here, you can feel the air vents coming out. Each one of those. That's off, there's on, off, and on. So we now have all of this working, and it is actually pulling air from one of the vents in this archive room here. And it is air conditioned, it's conditioned air. So that's what we've been working on. It's coming out good, and we'll talk to you soon.